Here's how to update WhatsApp. Now, if WhatsApp is open on your iPhone or Android, the first thing you need to do to update it is close out of the app. So I'm going to swipe up and close out of the app on my iPhone. You can do the same on Android. We're going to walk through two different ways to update it. The first one is the simple way. Just go into the App Store or Google Play Store. And then the second option will show you how to clear all the cache and temporary files and force update it if there's a bug or if there's a feature that you want to get. Now from here, let's tap on the search bar at the bottom right. And then let's just search for WhatsApp and tap on it. And there you can see WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. If it does say update right here, just tap on update to get the latest version on your phone. However, if it just says open, the next thing I would recommend doing is heading into the settings app on your iPhone or Android. From here, tap on General and then iPhone storage. Now from here, this will show you all of the apps currently on your phone. You just need to scroll down until you find WhatsApp. There it is. We're gonna offload this app. This clears the cache and temporary files on your phone and then force updates it to the latest version. Now keep in mind, if you're on Android, you can just find that specific WhatsApp app in your settings and clear the cache and storage. After it's done doing that, you will be able to see it says reinstall the app. You can go through, reinstall it, and it'll be working with the latest features.